We're back with another one. We have these tie downs, which it goes like this. I see on some other bikes like the Street Glide, Road Glide, they have a different headlight setup, and this is for the Road King. So what I'm going to do is attempt to put this behind this, because no one wants to see that hole right there in the way. So that's what we're going to do. I've taken out this bolt and take out the black thing behind it. I've already done the other side, so it's kind of tight, but at the same time, I'm thinking this way. If I leave the black piece back here behind it and expand it so I can fit in the actual lockdown bracket, you should be fine. The windshield should go right back in there. It's just that, like I said, I don't want that actual bracket to be on the outside because it does not look nice. All right, so like I said, we're gonna put the black piece in the middle. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna try to pull this one out to give me some space, and with that other side being in, it should go out farther and farther, so we'll see. It's pretty God it doesn't fall off, which I think is gonna do because I'm not holding it. But one way of not having to take it all off and expanding it, I would say try to take it off as much as the thickness of the actual tie down. So here we go. So you put that on the back side just like it was, and we just pull out on that outer piece and then just slide it in. And then let me get my screw and screw the top back in. Just put it in there so that the screw can bite just a little bit, just to hold it so it doesn't fall out, like so. And we'll do the bottom. All right, I already got the top in, so expand that just a little bit so we can slide it in. Be careful of your black piece because it might fall out as soon as you expand it, like it's doing right now. All right, what I did was I got this trim piece and I'm prying it out because it's kind of tight. So you do what you got to do. Remember, it's your bike. You can do what you want to do. And I'm using a screwdriver to kind of position the black piece. And that's what we're doing. And we can pull all we want to on this yellow piece. Just as long as we don't kind of scratch the chrome. And try to push it, position it. So right now, there's my hole. Got the Acorn nut. And if you're careful about your chrome, I put my hand where my chrome, or the wrench is gonna hit the chrome, so. Slow process, but it is what it is. I don't know what the torque is on it, but I'm gonna just make it pretty tight. Probably about a 2 grunt type with just 4 fingers. It's 4 finger, 2 grunts. Right there, that's as tight as I can get it with the 4 fingers. Here we go. Don't use the thumb. You use the thumb, that's too much torque. So make sure all 4 fingers are on there and turn it. And then you're gonna give it 2. See, I'm getting to the bottom. No thumb, I told you. Don't, no thumb. With it. That's 1. That's 2 grunts right there. So no thumb, just 4 fingers. All right, and that should be plenty tight. So now, here we go. Look, check this out, man. Check this out, man. Look, I got my ratchet strap to tie down. Let me see. Let me make sure I get it right now, because I don't want you talking about me. There we go. Okay, there we go. We can put it like that. Look at that. Tighten this up. Look at that. Ooh, right there. Doesn't touch any of the chrome. That's lovely. Ratchet strap. Ratchet. There you go right there, look. On both sides. Hey, bring them around to the other side, assistant. Bring them around to the other side. Bring them around. Actually, it doesn't look too bad for cosmetics as well, too. It doesn't look too bad. Let me grab my wrench so I can do that two grunts on this side. Let me see if I had it tight over here. Let me see. All right, we're kind of losing. That's one. That's two, okay. Well, no thumb, remember? No thumb. Okay, right there. That's plenty tight. Plenty tight. So there you go, man. hold on. Let me hit it. Let me hit it. I don't want y'all talking about me. Here we go. Go ahead and hit it. Hit it. Look at that. Thing that'll look pretty nice. There it is. And then see, now you don't get to see that little hole that they have right there for the street glides and the road glide. You just see this piece where you can slide it on. And that's that. And that's what she looks like. All right, until next time.